Sailana was also a small state in Ratlam district. The ruler of Sailana was fond of cactus collection. He developed such a nice garden near his residence that it is now considered to be the best cactus garden of Madhya Pradesh and an important cactus garden of India. Sailana is a small tehsil in Ratlam district of Madhya Pradesh. It is connected by rail as well as road. Cactus garden occupies an area of about 1 kilometer. Along with different varieties of cactus, several other xerophytic having cactus-like look have also been cultivated. The cacti are chiefly localized in the drier regions of tropical America, Mexico being the most favorite haunt of cacti. Some of the important xerophytes and cacti with eye-catching look at Sailana garden are Cereus. It is an arborescent cactus with spiny ribs. The stem and branches are strongly angled and ribbed. The leaves are modified to spines. Its flowers open in night. Fresh young shoots are used as cardiac tonic. Liquid extract or tincture is used in dropsy. Yucca. This is woody member of Liliaceae. Leaves are in rosette and full of fibers. Each leaf is fleshy and with pointed tip. Agave. It is not a cactus but a member of the family Amarlidaceae, very close to lily family. The name agave means admirable in French language. It is admired due to sword-like succulent leaves arising in a rosette. It is native of Mexico but now very common in India in dry places. The plant produces bulbils along with the flowers. Bulbils are the organs of vegetative reproduction. Its leaves are an important source of the fiber sisal or henquin. The sap of flowering axis may amount to 1,000 liters. Echinocereus. This cactus has short joints and it is profusely covered with spines. It has strong ribs, clustered spines, and flower opens in day. Flowers are red-purple in color. Sansevieria cylindrica. This is not a cactus, it is a type of lily. The leaves look like the horns of animals. They are dark green in color with pointed tips and very attractive for interior decoration. They are sources of fibers used to manufacture ropes. Mammillaria. This attractive cactus has nipple-like stem. The stems are jointed, condensed, and with globose spines in groups of several clusters. They are cultured in greenhouses and also used to decorate office and bungalows. The spines are yellowed and juice is watery or milky. Sarcostema. Leafless jointed shrub with green struggling branches. It is not a cactus. It is xerophytic member of the family Aesculapiadaceae. Opuntia. It is the most common cactus found wild in India. It has flat green stems called phylloclade. Being green, the stem carries on photosynthesis. The stem has several small circular areoles which bear a scale leaf and several small spines. The spines are modified leaves of axillary branch. Introduced in India from Mexico, it was cultivated as hedge plant, but later on it became an obnoxious weed. It is the host of cochineal insect. The dead bodies of these insects are used to extract red-colored dye known as cochineal. The juice of Opuntia is purgative, while baked fruit is expectorant. The poultice of phylloclades is useful to cure inflammation. Haworthia. It is not a cactus, but it is a member of lily family. Due to succulence and prickly leaves, it appears like a cactus. Its flowers are red with rosy or green stripes. Kalanchoe. This is not a cactus, but it is a succulent member of the family Crassulaceae. The leaves are fleshy. Stem produces bulbils for vegetative reproduction. Leaves also act as an organ of vegetative reproduction. The flowers are yellow in color and produced in bunches. Like cactus, it grows in dry and deserted places. Carnegia. Giant columnar cactus occupying place on the cover page of books connected with desert plants. It is native of Arizona, South California and Mexico. Its diameter is about 60 centimeters. It is 6 to 20 meters tall and looks like Qutub Minar, a historical monument of Delhi. The beauty of this cactus lies in the possession of akimbo branches. The stem and branches have numerous ribs. Spines are of two types, long and needle-like and narrow felt-like. White flowers are produced singly which open in night. Aloe. This is not a cactus, but it is a xerophytic member of lily family. Leaves are succulent fleshy with spiny margin. The leaves are full of mucilaginous slippery pulp which has medicinal value. It is used as purgative, carminative, anti-inflammatory and in menstrual disorders, anthelmintic and to cure carbuncles.